Is the Blink Outdoor for the ultimate set it and forget it security camera? Let's find out. Today, we're diving deep into Blink's latest wireless wonder to see if it lives up to the hype, especially that incredible 2-year battery life claim. So, what's new with the Outdoor 4? First off, the design is sleek and familiar, built to withstand whatever the weather throws at it. But the real magic is inside. We're talking crisp 1080p HD video, so you can see exactly what's happening outside your home, day or night. The infrared night vision has seen a solid upgrade, offering better clarity and contrast in low light, which is a huge plus. One of the standout features for me is the enhanced motion detection. The Outdoor 4 is smarter than its predecessors. It uses dual zone detection to reduce false alerts. You know, those annoying notifications you get when a tree branch sways in the wind. This new system is much better at focusing on what actually matters. And speaking of what matters, let's talk about person detection. This is a premium feature available with a Blink subscription plan, but it's a game changer. The camera can specifically tell you when it sees a person, not just any motion. This makes your notifications far more meaningful and lets you react faster if there's a potential intruder. Now, let's talk about how this whole system works. The heart of the Blink setup is the Sync Module 2. This little box is crucial. It connects your cameras to your Wi-Fi and is the key to that amazing battery life. But it does more than that. It also gives you the option for local storage. Just plug a USB flash drive into the Sync module, and you can save your motion clips without needing a cloud subscription. This is a fantastic option for anyone who wants to avoid monthly fees. Of course, you can still opt for the Blink subscription for convenience. It gives you cloud storage, person detection, and a nifty feature called 60-day unlimited video history, so you have choices, which is always good. Setting it up is as easy as ever. Seriously, it's a breeze. You download the Blink app, scan a QR code, pop in the 2A lithium batteries which, by the way, are included and mount the camera wherever you want. No wires, no fuss, the whole process takes just a few minutes per camera. The 2-way audio feature is also here, and it's crystal clear. You can hear what's going on and talk back through the camera's speaker right from your phone. Whether you're telling the delivery driver where to leave a package or scaring off a curious raccoon, it's a super useful tool. So, how does the Outdoor 4 stack up against other Blink cameras, like the Outdoor 3? The main improvements are the wider field of view, the better image quality, and that much improved motion detection. If you're already in the Blink ecosystem, is it worth the upgrade? I'd say yes, especially if you've been frustrated by false alerts in the past. The smarter detection alone makes a big difference in daily use now. That 2-year battery life claim. This is based on typical use, so your mileage may vary depending on how you set it up. If your camera is in a high-traffic area and recording constantly, the battery will drain faster. But for average home monitoring, it's designed for longevity, which is a huge selling point compared to many competitors that need charging every few months. In conclusion, the Blink Outdoor 4 is a powerful, flexible, and incredibly user-friendly security camera. It offers a fantastic balance of features, performance, and affordability. The combination of long battery life, local storage options via the Sync Module 2, and smart detection features makes it a top contender in the wireless security market. Whether you're a tech novice or a smart home veteran, this camera is easy to recommend for keeping an eye on your home. What do you think? Are you considering the Blink Outdoor 4? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.